The Hiligaynon word maayo has the following meanings or definition. It can mean good, which is the most common meaning, referring to something of high quality, moral uprightness, or general pleasantness. It also means well, which refers to a state of good health or condition. It can also be fine or okay, similar to well, indicating that something is satisfactory or acceptable. It can also mean kind or nice, which describes someone with a pleasant and generous personality. It can also mean right or correct, indicates that something is accurate or proper. And lastly, it can also mean skillful or good at, which describes someone who is proficient in a particular activity. Here are example sentences for the Hiligaynon word maayo. Maayo ang panahon. The weather is good. When we say panahon, that's weather. Maayo ang panahon. Maayo ka, that means are you well or are you good? Maayo ka. Daw maayo gid ini. That means this is very good. Daw maayo gid ini. And then the other one, mas maayo ini kaysa sadto. That means this is better than that or than before. Mas maayo ini kaysa sadto. Amo ini ang pinakamaayo nga libro. That means this is the best book. Maayo, and then libro, a libro is a book. Ini is this. So amo ini ang pinakamaayo nga libro. Maayo siya nga tawo. That means he or she is a good person. A tawo is a person, siya, it's gender neutral, so it's either he or she. Maayo siya nga tawo. Maayo siya magkanta, that means he or she sings well. Kanta means to sing, maayo siya magkanta. Indi ini maayo, that means this is not good. Indi means not, and ini is this, so this is not good. Indi ini maayo. Kung maayo ang chimpo, malakat kita. So if the weather is good, we will go. Maayo is good. And then chimpo is like the weather. And then malakat is like walk or go somewhere. Kita is like both of us or together. Magpakamaayo ka means be good or behave well. Magpakamaayo ka. We also have ginobra ini nga maayo. So this was made well. Obra is like worked or done, made. So ginobra ini nga maayo. May maayo nga natabo. So something good happened. May maayo nga natabo. May maayo sila nga balay. That means they have a nice house, a good house. So may maayo sila nga balay. Sila is they, and then a balay is a house. May maayo sila nga balay. Sa maayo nga lugar kami nag-istar. That means we live in a good place. Nag-istar is most of like past tense or maybe present tense in a way. Sa maayo nga lugar kami nag-istar, so we live in a good place. Naghatag ako sang maayo nga regalo sa iya. I gave him or her a good gift. So a regalo is a gift. Hatag is give. So naghatag ako sang maayo nga regalo sa iya. Paagi sa iya bulig nangin maayo ang resulta. Through his or her help, the result was good. Iya is like his or her, gender neutral. Maayo is good, and then resulta is the result, and then bulig is help. Paagi sa iya bulig nangin maayo ang resulta. Ang iya kabuoton nagdala sang maayo nga balita. So his or her kindness brought good news. Kabuoton mabuot is kindness, dala is bring, and then a balita is a news. Ang iya kabuoton nagdala sang maayo nga balita. Maayo ang pagkaon kag masadyahon ang tanan. That means the food is good and everyone is happy. Pagkaon is food, masadya is like happy, tanan is everyone. So maayo ang pagkaon kag masadyahon ang tanan. Nagapati ako nga maayo ang iya intensyon. So I believe that his or her intention is good. Pati is like believe, nagapati, and then intention is intention. So nagapati ako nga maayo ang iya intention. Maayo siya maghampang sang basketball. That means he or she is good at playing basketball because siya it's gender neutral. So it's either he or she. Hampang is play and basketball is basketball. So maayo siya maghampang sang basketball.